Just imagine building the DeFi app on Tone. Your UI looks great, your smart contracts are secure, your token pay is alive. But then your users still get high swap rates, low sleep rate, and false threats. Not because your app is broken, but because liquidity is scattered among multiple decentralized exchanges. And sadly, that's the problem that is slowing down Tone DeFi. Interestingly, as the core of this video, I'll be talking about Omniston, a decentralized liquidity aggregation protocol built specifically for open network as a solution to this problem, and why it may be one of the most important infrastructure upgrades in the Tone ecosystem. As Tone grows into a vibrant decentralized ecosystem, more decentralization exchanges are launching, and that's good for decentralization. But here's the thing. Each decentralized exchange maintains its own liquidity pool, and that means token A or token B liquidity might be deep on one decentralized exchange but shallow on another, and even completely unavailable elsewhere. So with this, you see that whenever a user swaps tokens, they may miss better rates on another decentralized exchanges. They may experience high sleep rate or see their transaction fail due to insufficient liquidity. And from a user perspective, it's frustrating. And from a developer's perspective, it's worse because now they have two choices, which is to either build their own routing logic, which is complex and time consuming, or accept inefficient swaps from their users. And this fragmentation creates friction across the ecosystem, and friction in turn slows down growth. But then Omniston changes everything, because instead of competing for isolated liquidity, it aggregates it. And Omniston works behind the scenes to fetch swap codes from multiple Tone decentralized exchanges, request codes from professional market makers called resolvers, and compare them using a smart RFQ, that's a request for quote system, executes the best available price via smart contract. So in just few words, what Omniston does is to check every way, look for the best rates, lock it in, and execute the best seamlessly. And you know what that means. Of course you do. It means better rates, low sleep rate, higher trade success rates. But here's the bigger insight. Omniston doesn't just improve swaps, it dissolves liquidity silos. Instead of every protocol fighting for its own liquidity, what Omniston does is that it creates a shared liquidity access layer, and that's nothing but infrastructure level thinking. Are you a developer? Omniston should be your best go-to while building on Tone. Here's why. Omniston offers you the best price as it aggregates rates across Tone, ensuring that your users get optimal value automatically. And also with Omniston, native integration with Tone Keeper is made possible, and also from other wallets via Tone Connect. And also Omniston offers you a friendly SDK with clean hooks, simple setup, clean documentations. It's worthy to note that no complicated backend infrastructure is required, because many DeFi tools claim to be powerful, but they end up demanding deep blockchain expertise to integrate. And Omniston doesn't do all that. With just a few lines of code, your app gets access to aggregated liquidity across Tone. Are you a user? Of course, you're not left out, because with Omniston, there are no sleep rate surprises. The prices is locked before execution, and you can access the full Tone ecosystem, whether it's a direct token pay or a complex route. Omniston helps find your path, and you can swap predictably, and predictability builds trust. That's just the beauty of Omniston Protocol. Looking into this, we can come to a conclusion that Omniston isn't just flashy, it's actually foundational, as we've come to see how it addresses one of the most structural problems in DeFi, which is liquidity fragmentation, and how it solves this with aggregation, RFX Logic, and seamless smart contract executions. Omniston is already live in the STON.fi ecosystem, so all you need to do is toggle Omniston routing in the swap settings to try it out. If you're a developer building on Tone, or you're an aspiring developer, Omniston Protocol is the kind of protocol that is worth studying. Thank you so much for sticking close up to this moment, and do not forget to use these useful links to explore more on how you can tackle obstacles that are slowing down decentralized finances today using the Omniston Protocol. Till my next video. Bye.